Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel, where we talk about how to make, save, and grow your money. 2025 is just around the corner, and if you're looking for fresh and exciting ways to boost your income, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 actionable and realistic ways to make money in 2025. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up your finances, there's something here for you. Let's get started. Tip 1. Freelancing in specialized fields. Freelancing continues to dominate the job market, but in 2025, the real money will be in specialized fields. Think AI programming, blockchain development, and UX/UI design. These skills are in demand, and clients are willing to pay a premium for experts who can deliver. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great starting points, but here's the trick: focus on building a niche portfolio. When you're known for solving a specific problem, you can charge higher rates and attract top-tier clients. Tip 2. Content creation with AI assistance. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast, 2025 is the perfect time. AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva make it easier than ever to create high-quality content without spending hours editing. The key is to pick a niche you're passionate about. It could be anything from tech reviews to fitness tips. Once you build a loyal audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and even selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. Tip 3. Investing in green technology. The green tech sector is booming, and 2025 will be no exception. Companies focusing on renewable energy, electric vehicles, and sustainable solutions are not just helping the planet, they're also creating opportunities for investors. You don't need a fortune to get started. Apps like Robinhood or eToro let you invest small amounts in these high-growth industries. Pro tip: do your research on ETFs focused on clean energy to spread your risk while supporting innovation. Tip 4. Selling digital products. Digital products are a goldmine because you create them once and sell them over and over. Think templates, guides, stock photos, or even music loops. Websites like Gumroad and Etsy make it super easy to set up a storefront. Start with something simple, like a budgeting spreadsheet or a meal planner, and watch the sales roll in. Tip 5. Remote work for global companies. Remote work isn't going anywhere, but in 2025, the focus will be on working for global companies. Many businesses are offering competitive salaries for remote employees in fields like marketing, project management, and IT. Websites like remote.co and We Work Remotely are excellent for finding these opportunities. To stand out, make sure your LinkedIn profile is optimized and tailored to highlight your remote work experience. And there you have it, 5 proven ways to make money in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tips to grow your income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.